Hello students, welcome back class 11. Today I am continuing our chapter 4 looping topic. Okay, because looping is our important part. So today I am discussing new concept. Here I want to discuss how to convert for loop into the while loop. Last time I have discussed how to convert while loop into for loop. Today I am discussing how to convert this for loop into while loop. Okay students, so you can see in this example completely for I is our variable, for is our loop, for is counted loop, fixed number of loop, it is a reduce the coding. Okay, the number of instruction we can directly mention how many times I want. Suppose here print I, in for loop print I want to execute this statement 10 times. Okay, so here for I in this is our membership operator. Range is a function which will produce a list of number from 1 comma 10. 10 means always 1 less than, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, the output of range function is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the setup value, so one value 1 will receive in I variable and print I will work, so it will display to 1. Then the next value 2 will receive in I, then print I 2. In this manner 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can directly repeat and display the values. But here one thing is important in exam, this for loop convert into while loop. So you can see the highlighted thing. Okay, the highlighted thing we can expand. Okay, so here loop start from I is equal to 1. Here we use while. Okay, here where to stop, I less than equal to 9, because here we must check this condition. Loop executed till the when value of I will reach to 9. Okay, then we can print I, then the value of I must increment by 1. So here I is equal to I plus 1. So three highlighted line in while loop we will mention, but in for loop with the help of range function we can directly use. Okay, completely you can see, but output is same. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now here I am taking next example. Here I want to display completely from 1 to 10. For loop I in range. Okay, here I am mentioning 1 comma 11. Okay, 11 means 1 less, so 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 10 you will also see. Okay, so same program I want to convert it to while loop. Simply I is equal to 1, and here while I less than equal to 10, here we must mention the stop 10, print I, and I is equal to I plus 1. So this loop will repeat print I and I plus 1 10 times. When value of I will reach to 11, so while loop will false and it will not work. Okay students, now next example you can see. Okay, you can say this is a table of 2. In for loop we can write for I in range 2 comma 21, because I want to display 2 to 20, 2 to 20. So here 1 comma 21 and comma 2. 2 means 2 step gap. Start from 2, then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, and when value will reach to 20, and then above 20, so it will stop automatically in for loop. So you can see the output 2 4 6 8 10 12 12 12 14 16 18 and 20. But I want to convert this for loop into while loop, so highlighted thing we can mention clearly. So I is equal to 2, you can see the for loop in 2 comma 21. So in while loop I is equal to 2, while I less than equal to 20, print I is equal to I plus 2, because here 2, last value of 2 must increment by 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, then loop will continue, and when value will reach to 22 in while loop, it will stop. Okay, you can see this output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So you can see while in this while loop, we can first check our condition, then while loop repeat the statement. When condition become false, while loop not work. Now next program, the same program, but it is a table of 3, we can say in our words. So for I in range 3, 31, so loop will stop when value reach 30 above. Okay, and comma 3 means 3 value gap. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. So in this style the for loop will work and display 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 and 30. And same loop for loop I want to convert into while. So here I am using I is equal to 3, while I less than equal to 30, print I is equal to I plus 3. Here 3 increment, then you will see the output when value of I become 33. So while loop will false and stop the loop. Now next example, this is the example of table of 4. So for loop we clearly mention I in range 4, 41, 4, because 4 step gap and print I. So you can see 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. And same loop I want to convert into while. So here start from I is equal to 1, while I less than equal to 40. Okay, print I is equal to I plus 4. When value reach to above 40 means last value of I in while loop 44. 40 plus 4, 40 plus 4, 44. So while loop will false and stop this loop. Now next example is, here new thing is I want to display from 20 to reverse table of 20 to 2. So here for I in range start from 20, 0. Okay, so then you can see here minus 2 is important, because 20 minus 2 18, 18 minus 2 16. So in this style we can use, and 20, 18, 16, 14, 22, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 you can see. And I want to convert this for loop into while loop equivalent. So here I mention I is equal to 20. I is equal to 20. I greater than equal to 2, because 20 is greater than equal to 2, 20, 18, 16, okay, 14, 12 greater than 2. When last value 2 minus 2 is 0, so in while loop 0 greater than 2, it will false. When value reach to below 2 means 0 finally, so that time while loop will false and it will not work till it will display last value 2. So in this style while loop equivalent we can write, you can see the first for loop and then we can convert this for loop into equivalent while loop. Okay, exactly. So today I am discussing how to convert for loop equivalent while loop, because we must have both knowledge, for loop and while loop, because for loop will reduce our number of statement. We can directly mention from and to in for loop, but in while loop we use 3 statement equivalent: starting, condition checking and increment or decrement. Okay, so in while loop we require 3 additional statement, but for loop with the help of range function we can directly use, and under the all the statement of for loop we'll repeat the fixed number of time. But in while we can mention these 3 statements: starting, condition checking and increment decrement in separately. Okay students, thank you so much.